Welcome, this is your homework solution for week 7. This is going over September 19th. Here, they're asking to solve the equation. Again, this is a little bit more brutal than Wednesday's homework, just more steps, okay? But same process, you just gotta stay organized, okay? Rewrite the equation and draw the line straight down is always the first step to stay organized. Okay, on the left-hand side, there are a bunch of like terms, and I see parentheses. You do which one you want to do first. Here, most likely, I'm going to deal with the parentheses, okay? So the 4 times 6x and the 4 times 4. That is what you do when you distribute 4 times 6x and 4 times 4. Okay, what you have here is a simplify, so 4 times 6x is 24x, and 4 times 4 is 16. There's some like terms that combined. So I have a 5x here, 24x, and a minus 29x. Okay, plug that on the calculator. 5 plus 24 minus 29. What do you get? These all cancel out. You get a 16 on the left, a 16 on the right. Okay, when the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, you would actually say that it's infinite. You'd still solve it. You would just say this is an infinitely number of solution problem. 2. 35 equals to 7, parentheses 3x plus 2. Rewrite the equation and draw the line down is always the first step. I see the parentheses, so I'm going to distribute to get rid of it. 7 times 3x and 7 times 2. 7 times 3x is 21x, and 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, try and get the variable alone. Subtract 14 on both sides. 35 minus 14 on the left-hand side becomes 21. On my right-hand side, the 14 minus 14 cancels out. You get 21 equals to 21x. So divide by everything by 21. That should cancel out. 21 over 21 becomes 1. You get a right-hand side, which is just x. On my left-hand side, 21 over 21 is just 1. We would say 1 equals to x. That's what you get after you simplify. This is just one solution. It's just x equals to 1. 3. Rewrite the equation and draw the line straight down is always our first step to stay organized. You see a parentheses, therefore you are going to distribute negative 8 times x and negative 8 times 4. Negative 8 times x is negative x, and negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. Negative 8x is on my right hand side, and then 8x is also on my right hand side. Those are like terms. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0, so it disappears. Negative 8x plus 8x becomes 0. So they disappear after you combine like terms. My left hand side is negative 6. On my right hand side is the negative 32. Negative 6 is not ever equal to negative 32. You would actually say this is no solution. Number 4. Rewrite the equation and draw a line straight down is always the first step. We see a parentheses, therefore we have to distribute. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And negative 3 times 7x is negative 21x. Okay. There's no like terms, and there are no extra variables, so we start getting x alone. I see a negative 6 on the left hand side, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Bring the left hand side, negative 6 plus 6 cancels out. Bring down the negative 21x on my left hand side. 57 plus 6 is 63. Negative 21 times x, so we are going to divide negative 21. Negative 21 divided by negative 21 cancels out on my left-hand side, bringing down the x on my right-hand side. Negative 63 divided by negative 21 is negative 3. 5. Rewrite the equation and draw a line straight down is always our first step. We see parentheses, therefore we distribute. Negative 6 times 2x is negative 12x. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. Everything comes straight down. Okay? You can't do this if you don't know how to multiply. If you don't know multiply, just plug it into your calculator. Okay. So, what do you have here? Combining like terms, right? I see a negative 12x and I see a 12x on the right hand side. We have to combine them. They're like terms. What's negative 12 plus 12? 0. Right? What do you have left over on the left hand side? Negative 58. My right hand side, negative 48. When is negative 58 ever equal to negative 48? Never. You would say that is no solution. Okay? That is no solution for this one. 6. Rewrite the equation and draw a line straight down. You see a parentheses, therefore you distribute, so let's get rid of it. 5 times 2x and 5 times 8. That's the distributive property. 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times 8 is 40. Are there any like terms? No. Are there one variable? Good. Now you start solving for it. Subtract 40 to both sides. That's how you get it to cancel, so you could get the variable by itself. On my right-hand side, negative 48 minus 40 is negative 88. Okay, you get a 10 times x. Divide everything by 10. The 10 over 10 cancels out. On my right-hand side, negative 88 over 10. That's how it looks like after you divide. Okay, it's pretty ugly. It's a fraction. You could reduce this. I think it's like negative 44 over 5, but that's a good enough answer. Okay, sorry about the fraction, but this is the last problem on Thursday. That's why I decided to make it really hard by leaving it in terms of a fraction. Okay, but there you go. Those are all your solutions for week 7. This is Thursday, September 19th. Good luck.